Alright, so now we're going to learn how to cut the sill. Sills can be really daunting because the size of them, they're so long and you're trying to cut something and it's really hard to support. So what I do then is called a controlled break. So I'll cut it along a spot but larger than the space I need, because when it breaks it always comes out jagged. So if you cut it the exact size and try and keep it level, chances are something will crack and it'll have weird jagged edges. You'll see what I mean in just a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it. I need it 31 5/8. I'm gonna cut it at 32 1/2. So that gives me enough play that I can fix it afterwards. So let's go to town here. So as you can see, the break here is not smooth at all. And if it were to crack the other way, it would leave me nothing to shave down, which would mean that this would be an ugly edge. Now most of this edge does get buried because we're gonna cut it out basically like that, over, and this is all you would see, but you would still have that ugly edge if you weren't able to do it that way. So that's just an easy way to cut the sill. After we'll measure and cut it out, and then we'll slide it in.